Welcome to the What is a Short Sale Guide by whatisashortsale.org. Today we're going to explain the short sale process in depth so that you thoroughly understand how the process works. The topics to be covered in the guide are how to prepare for a short sale, what is HAFA, who is eligible for HAFA, how to apply for the government short sale, what documents the bank typically requires, who could help you submit the documents to the bank for free, what to expect from your bank or servicer from start to finish, and tips to shorten the time frames of your short sale. So when preparing for a short sale, the first thing you need to know is what a short sale actually is. So when you're doing a short sale, this is when your servicer or bank actually allows you to sell your property for less than what you owe on the mortgage. And the point of this is because it actually provides mutual benefits to both the homeowner and the bank to help both parties avoid foreclosure. Once you're beginning the short sale process, the first thing you really want to do is familiarize yourself with all of the items on the checklist in our short sale package. Each of these items are typically required to actually obtain a short sale approval. Once your documents are submitted to your bank or servicer, they may request them to be updated on a monthly basis, as they're going to need your most current bank statements and most recent pay stubs. One of the most important tips to remember throughout the process is to always be proactive. One of the most common issues with short sales is that they get closed out because there was a deadline that wasn't met. When the lender requests a document, it's really important to get it in on time because it's hard enough to actually obtain an approval. So the last thing you want to do is to have to start over because you didn't send something in on time. When you're proactive, it helps save you time and simplifies the entire process. So what exactly is a HAFA short sale? HAFA stands for Home Affordability Foreclosure Alternative, and it's known as the government short sale. The purpose of HAFA is to help homeowners avoid the negative effects of foreclosure. It enables homeowners to transition to more affordable housing while being released from their mortgage debt. There are a number of great benefits that come from the HAFA short sale. The HAFA short sale standardizes and simplifies the short sale process. What it does is it provides the homeowner with $10,000 in relocation assistance at closing. And more importantly, it releases the homeowner from future liability on that mortgage. So that means no deficiency judgments, no cash contributions, and no promissory notes. It also provides a cash incentive to the second lien holder, if there is one, to help settle that debt as well. The HAFA program is actually set to expire at the end of 2015. So anyone looking to take advantage of HAFA should act soon. So who's eligible for HAFA? The requirements are the mortgage must be originated prior to January 1st, 2009. The mortgage must be delinquent or default is foreseeable in the near future. The current unpaid principal balance is less than $729,750. And the property cannot be owned or secured by a business entity. So how do you apply for a HAFA short sale? The first step is to contact your bank and confirm your eligibility. So what you want to do is call your bank and speak with the short sale department. Now this process can be a bit frustrating to those of you who have already tried this. We offer a free service to help with this process, where we call with you to find out your eligibility. Now some people may think that they're not eligible, but your servicer may have an in-house program to help you. We could also help you find that out as well. So who could help you with this process? Besides free organizations like whatisashortsale.org, there are two types of licensed individuals that could help you achieve a successful short sale. Now it's important to understand that neither of these individuals should ever ask you for any upfront money because your bank will allow their costs to be paid at closing. The first person is a licensed title agent, and the second person is a licensed real estate agent or broker. Now, it's very important to make sure that these two individuals have short sale experience. A short sale is a very niche part of these industries, and not everybody has the experience that could effectively help you. Now, let's talk about what to expect from listing to approval, aka start to finish. Understanding and knowing what to expect throughout the process will allow you to be more efficient. And there's a basic series of events that occur when you're processing your short sale. So the first is to obtain the requirements from your bank and then submit all your financial documents at once together. Once you do this, we suggest a follow-up call back to them in about 48 hours, just to make sure that they received everything and assigned a processor to your account. Once the processor is assigned, the processor is going to go ahead and order a property valuation so they could have a good idea what your property value is. Once this is done, it's then assigned to a negotiator. Once the property is listed and marketed and you receive an offer from a buyer, the offer is submitted to your bank as well. Once the bank reviews the offer, they're going to compare it to their property valuation that they received, and at this point you may receive a counteroffer depending on how strong the buyer's offer is. Assuming the buyer wants to move forward after this, there'll be an addendum to your contract created that's signed by all parties, and a newly updated closing statement will be sent to the bank. Once this is done, your file goes to final approval, which usually takes between 1 and 3 weeks to receive a response. At that point, you'll have the opportunity to choose whether you accept the terms of the short sale that they provide. Assuming you accept, your file is prepared for closing at the title company. The question now is how to get started. Download our free Get Started Short Sale package, which includes the checklist of items you'll need that your lender typically requires, and has all of our short sale tips which will help make the process really efficient. If you have questions, you could contact us at any time. We're always willing to help for free. You could call us at 888-262-6933. Thank you for your interest in our short